Things I always have in my fridge when I'm doing keto low carb: heavy whipping cream, unsweetened almond milk, and then I always have some of the zero sugar creamer because let's face it, sometimes I'm late. I always have strawberries because a couple of those cut up in my yogurt are delicious. And then, of course, all of the cheese, pepper jack and mozzarella, and then these cute little bell peppers. This is my favorite low-carb yogurt. It's Too Good yogurt. It's only 3 grams of carbs per cup, and they have all sorts of different flavors. And then, of course, cream cheese. In my pantry, I always have all sorts of nut flours. Monk fruit sweetener is my favorite sugar replacement. And this is my all-time favorite granola. I order it off Amazon.